Okay, this is a 2005 Nissan Sentra, and it's a hard way to find the turn signal flashers. But I already disconnect the plastic, the bottom on it, and you can see I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try my best to show how it's done. So you take it off like that. You're gonna find out that it's so hard to get to the flash. Then I'm gonna show you where the flash is right now. Okay, remember it's at the right side of the steering wheel. You go under here like that, and look where the flash is. Let me see if I can show it to you. Right there. Right there. Boy, it's hard to get the light right there. So, to get to the flash, you have to take all that out. You will have to take this piece off, this from the screws on each side. Right there. Take it off. To get your hands in there is hard. So you have to take this piece too. So to get that piece out, you need a 10 mil right up there to get it off. Hold on, I'll be right back with you. So you get a extension, deep sack extension, and go in there and take it out. Right there. Somewhat up there, I don't know, I can't see. Right up there. Hold on. So after the piece is out, you can get to your flash much easier. So let me see where it is. Right there. And just pull it out. Can't get the light. You see, get your hand in there and pull it out. See? Here it is. So you get this one back the same, just reverse everything. So I hope this video will help you if you have a problem like I did, and not so many put this a video like that to show you the flash. And this has to be the flash because they have some generics they gave me in any auto part and it doesn't fit. Thank you for watching.